Snuffy, all our friends have come to play. On adventure big or adventure small, we're gonna have a wonderful day. Miffy, a sweet little bunny. Miffy, I think she's really funny. Miffy, it always feels sunny. With Miffy!
Mandy's Hiccups. Hiccup, 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 hiccup. Miffy? Miffy? Oh yeah, that was amazing. I was steady. I was steady. Hiccup. I was not steady. Hiccup. I was steady. Hiccup. I was hiccup. That was fun. Let's see. Yeah, so like that. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 sticks. Good job. It was fun and 9 sticks. Eden, yeah. That was delicious. Sorry. Excuse me. Oh yeah, that was fun. Ah, that was goody. Yay, bro. That was fun.
Well, how does this work? She said, you know.
Yeah. Goody. That was super hiccups. That was goody. That was fun. That was good, Melanie. She loved these. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. That was fun to hiccups. Hiccup, 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 hiccup. That was... That was good. That was goody. Let's see. Ice in the water. Checking at this great water. Let me see water. Ah, see? It's water. See it? Ah! Nice, cool water. Nice, goody. That was watering. That was goody.
What you should do, this is what I would do, right? I would, first of all, I would say,
What? Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Excuse me. Fun. Here, go. Here, now, take my flowers. Look at this. No, you go. Oh my God, you did it. No.
Mandy Mouse is sitting right here. She has let these and it's not over. It's seen the Melody fall down. She has then let that. I let these in the gut and this and it's tall fingers. It's the toes. It's going on this and the pounding. I was gonna like that. That was so fast. It's gonna help in. And she'll let this and the other oven is coming from. She'll like that the over not gonna open. She'll like that. She'll like that over. She's a killer cat.
She'll cover. Oh my goodness. Go. Okay, that was in the door. Back to the house now. Quick. That reason lighting into this house? Ask Miffy.
She like this going on the top.
What? What? No, I didn't. No, hiccups. Hiccup. That's slow. That's super slow. That's slow. That was fun. Maybe I like that. Like this. That's slow. Hello. That was funny. Surprise. That's our 11 friends. Let's go outside. Oh, yes.
That's fun. Oh my gosh. Let's go outside.
That was good, Hiccups friends. Thank you. I love these and Mandy has a ukulele sings. That was for Goody and friends. That was good. Wow, that was funny. I like that super. You got nothing this and a Mandy Mouse. Wow, that was good. And Melanie and Mega and this I like that. Melanie, Quinty, Melanie, and they like that and Miffy. Ukulele sings and Miffy and Quinty and Melanie. Have fun. Good job, and I like the Miffy. Wow. Oh yeah, that was amazing. Ukulele singing. Oh, that was super. Oh yeah, here she goes. Oh yeah, that was amazing. That's fun. Good. Oh yeah, that was the stuff. That was good. I like that super. You know, the songs. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Rock, 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 rock.
That's funny. Good song and Ellen Friend songs.
I'll sing it like that. Do it again. All together. Singing it like that. All together singing. Ready? Here we go.
Oh yeah, that was good rock and all together sings. That was good. You like that super? Oh, that was good. You go right now. You not push my pace again.
You go. Do not push my go again. No, that's nothing. No, it's discussion. That was gonna the super. That was goody. Sure, oh yeah, you betcha. That was goody, I like that super, yeah. Wow. No, I didn't. Go Eater. Oh yes, that was goody. I like that. Watch this. Bow wow. Bow. 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 That was fun. Goody, I like that. Oh, thank you so much, guys. I'm so glad to hear it all together sings. Oh, that was goody. I like that super. Oh, like that. Oh, that was good. Oh, you so super swell. That was good and super. That was good. Yes, sir. I really like that super, that's super. Every day I like that.
Yes, that was goody. No sleepy. Can't go sleep now.
That was goody, super swell. I love these and singing this ukulele singing. Funny.